a fucking A-brake entry?
Is that from you?
I wrote that.
What did you say?
Well, all three of us are going to go home.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a home out in like fucking 9:30.
Oh!
No respect.
Nice. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Awesome.
The truck has some new items coming to it. Cool. Thank you.
No worries. Happy birthday.
Awesome.
Jason.
Thank you.
It's the next day. We're back. We're gonna unload,
Container.
unpack everything so we can get it up on the site.
Yes.
Garage Tenoshi.
We're gonna hunt for some bricks. We're gonna hunt for some seats. We're gonna see some wheels.
We're gonna see a lot of cool shit. So hang on to your fucking hats
Yeah.
or whatever you have.
We're gonna start blasting.
Yeah.
And then
What
we'll
is this?
show
Look.
everything after.
Ride. So let's see if there's a mail order wife in here.
Alright, update so far. All the seats are out.
34 seats. There might still be some more further in, but so far 34 seats. We got Brides, Recaros, old TRD seats and stuff. Spats, Quattro Sports. Yeah. A stout like my seats. Some R32 GTR seats that make it clean. But yeah, that's pretty cool. We're gonna Ben, did these just come out?
Ben's just, yeah, he just pulled those out.
Oh, okay. Have some goddamn Techno Phantoms. Yeah, we're gonna get on with the wheels. Yeah, it's already making a goddamn mess. So maybe a time lapse now? What do you think? Man?
Always got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the
No, it has to be the guy who bought all of
Not even halfway through.
Holy shit.
Careful, Ben.
Song from Zoe 101 where it's Jesse McCartney. Where do we go from here?
Look at it, man. Look at it in here. It's actually insane.
This is too much. We bought too much shit. Look, that's all seats back there. I think there's like 36 of them or something.
Everyone's seat except for mine.
Yeah, no seat didn't show up. Fuck. I think we got 5 pairs of bricks in this bitch somewhere.
In here somewhere.
Yeah, so we're gonna crack those hoes open.
You can't really walk around like previous videos.
Yeah, we'll try to film, but it's hard. I mean, there's so many. How many pairs of Longchamps and sets of Longchamps think we have, Ben?
Like full sets?
Or just pairs? Let's go pairs. I see 2,
Maybe?
3, 4, 5, 5, 6. There's
a lot.
At least 10, 12 pairs of Longchamps, if not more. And then so much other shit. We even got some big wheels in here, because you know what? That's business. That's showbiz. So, I mean, we got a lot of work to post all this shit. The people, if you have stuff in the container, will sort that out and then ship that your way. And yeah, we have a lot of fucking shit to go through. Look at the seats back there. Can you even see the seats? Oh, there's another pair of
Yeah, I
Longchamps.
can see it.
Yeah, god damn it. Look at this old logo horn button. That's pretty sick. Some gold flake. That's pretty fucking fire. Oh, I got this Niki Lauda Marlboro helmet ashtray.
That doesn't open.
Flip up the visor. Hey, I just need to loosen these things. That's pretty sick. Surprised that came. Good thing that came and no seat didn't. That's more important. For the collection. Might take up smoking now.
What are you opening right now, man?
I think these are bricks.
Bricks.
One of the pairs of projectors. Got 3 pairs of bricks.
Oh, these are projectors. Damn it.
Triples too?
Yeah.
Fucking Alien vs Predator.
I don't miss these.
Back when Noah was trying to convince us that triple projectors were cool.
Yeah. It's like I actually like them more.
I'm starting to like them a lot. Buys bricks. Oh, this was everything.
Full set.
Corners. Are your corners faded, bet? I might want to trade corners. Those ones are really nice. One of mine's faded. Was the grill or was it just corners and headlights, Ben? Not in here.
We have
Put this in reverse for how to keep on one. Motherfucker. Get out!
We didn't bring the knife in here?
Yeah.
Oh, I have my shrimp one, but it's not sharp at all.
Wow. Oh, this one's like about to break off.
Oh, those are mine. Fuck.
Whatever, you don't need that.
Yeah.
Should we fix these right now, Adam? Then, so yours?
I'll just JP weld them when I get home.
What about that? Get that plastic weld stuff, man? What do you think's
Yeah.
better?
The
Oh,
plastic
what
weld
is-
stuff's crazy.
What are these crazy good?
Yeah. It like smokes.
They were that person. I'm gonna run clear as Rob.
Oh, mark these glass lenses there. Oh.
Brick.
How many bricks you seen in your fucking lifetime, bro? In one room, dude.
Feels good to be fucking rich, dude.
Brick.
Bricks outside.
Bricks outside.
Bricks in a box.
Bricks in a box.
Bricks in your
Bricks
house.
Bricks in your head. Bricks in your pants because you shit.
Bricks. That's how Ben affords all his cars, is he smuggles bricks of crystal meth in his Ford.
Ben's actually a drug dealer.
Yeah, he definitely doesn't just work to pay for cars, which some of you guys don't understand apparently. All right, Noah, give me the camera. Oh no!
Ben, why have you done this?
Oh no!
Big miss.
Sorry.
This one will be better, I promise.
I don't feel like you shouldn't do it again.
Oh, it always works. Did it work? No.
Foggy, dude.
Wow.
That sounds like the regular Ben. Wow.
Is there like condensation there?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's on top or on the front. No, it is on the inside.
It's all.
That's fine. Fuck it.
What a nice sound. You just got bulbs with them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's nice. I don't think any of the other ones came.
Decent.
Rides and a bunch of other seats. And then there's wheels for days, long champs, Watts, Mark 1s, some big wheels, a lot of work equips, some bunch of Techno Phantoms, and some bigger wheels. But yeah, then we have some steering wheels, a bunch of Pat lights, brand new in box, and then we had 4 pairs of bricks, but 2 will be for sale, and a pair of triple projectors. Anything else, Dan?
We have some 8.6 bumpers, like rear ones.
Yeah, so like the JDM kind of low pro ones. We should almost show them the car ones. Or what else
Yeah,
should we show them?
can someone grab them?
Or just spin them around. Zoom in on those Mark 1s. 5-bolt Mark 1s. Really wide, full set. The other pair's over here. Or no, that's not the other pair. Another pair that matches those.
Crazy.
But yeah, those are some Collins Star Sharks. Lots of DVDs too. I think there's 10 or 12 pairs of Longchamps from 13 to 15. Some nice mesh like those. Lots of Techno Phantoms. SP1s, some Mark 2s.
These are kind of crazy too. They're for like how negative they are.
Yeah. These Meisters.
4x100. I think they're 8 negative 25.
Jesus. They need to be cleaned up, but those will be sick once they're cleaned up.
Yeah. Like a Miata or something.
Yeah. Some Advans. Lots of shit. Look at all the seats, man. 35? That's cool.
How we doing?
That's cool shit.
Anything you want to say?
Well, we're gonna don't DM us asking about all the stuff. We already have like 40 DMs because we storied, but all the stuff we need to inventory it, take photos and everything, and then we'll put it up on the site, and there'll be lots of announcements when it'll all be up on the site, so if you guys can wait for that. But yeah, everything's for sale. Everything must go. But yeah, again, Garage Tenoshi on Instagram. You can keep yourself updated. We'll also be posting about it on our Instagram at Moist Boys, and we got some personal parts for our cars, so there'll be videos about that. Ben got some parts for his cars. Yeah, so lots of sick shit coming. Yeah. Anything you want to say, Ben? Comment what you hope is here.
Yeah. What's your desired part? If you could have any part, what would it be?
What would it be?
Probably in here.
Could it
Could
be those
very well be.
studded winter tires?
Also, everyone buy these Star Sharks before Nelson does.
Yeah, true. These ones here.
Well, that's the two colored ones. I thought you wanted the gold ones over there.
Oh, maybe. But look at this one. It has the anodized wick. It's like a super rare option that they used to do. It's kind of hard to tell, but
Are these
it's like gold.
Are these Jilbas? 13-inch Jilbas?
Those are Dunlop Le Mans.
I think you're right. Look kind of. Oh yeah, Jilbas has more spokes, like double the amount of spokes. Yeah, lots of cool shit. Some 4x100 Equipo ones. People are gonna be fiending for those, because everyone's always hurting for the 4x100. Advan Onis. Hayashi Streets. What else, man?
Almost everything. Almost anything you can
Pretty
think
much-
of is probably here.
There's a lot of shit. I didn't think we got this much shit,
But we did.
but I guess, yeah, it was 17 pallets this time.
Yeah.
Last time was 12 or 13, so we're going up and up. Next time, 60 pallets.
All the pallets.
Yeah, all the
And
pallets they
U-Hauls.
have.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, sick shit coming, so keep an eye out. We'll be posting on Moist Boys Instagram and Garage underscore Tenoshi Instagram about these parts, and then when they're up, they'll all be for sale, international shipping. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and yeah. Otherwise, freak it off. There's some steering wheels too, but you can't really see them.
Yes.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best kind